taking over the world, one nerd at a time. Total Nerd Takeover.
Hello, Chris Gray here, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this Oittm. I think I'm saying it right. It's O-I-T-T-M. What is this, you might ask? Because it's a nice little cube box. Well, I'll tell you. It is a dock and charging station. So on the top of this device, you'll be able to charge your Apple Watch. It'll have 3 USB ports out of the front, and it plugs in the back, keeps all your wires nice and tidy. It's basically a USB hub / Apple Watch dock station. How cool is this? Now, this particular product on the box, it says it has 4 USB ports, a 6 amp output. It's compatible with smartphones, tablets, and Apple Watch. It runs on an AC output, 100 to 200 volts, 240 volts rather, at 50 to 60 hertz. It has an output of 5 volts, 2.4 amps max for each port, total up to 6 amps. It has built-in protection against overvoltage, overcurrent leakage, and short circuits. Okay, so let's open the box and see how it looks, and will it manage my wire mischief? Okay, so as you can see here on my desk, we have the multi-USB charger, which we're going to be setting up. Now we have the instruction manual. We have a regular plug here, a 2-prong plug. We have the actual base unit itself. And this little doodad, this knick-knackety-knick, is for holding the Apple Watch charger. Okay, so I have the multi-USB charging station unboxed, and we have white and gray coloring. We have the 2-prong AC plug, which will plug into the back of the base unit. Inside the base unit is the one of the USBs that will be for the Apple Watch cable. And in the front, we have 3 more USB outlets. So here are the instructions. Tells you everything you need to know. I usually don't read them, so off they go. And this is the top, or the lid, that will go on the top of the base station. And you can put it in either direction. This little white plug, I guess, is to give you the option of not using the Apple Watch charger if you don't want to. You can, it just falls right out. It just pushes right out like that. And you can take the Apple Watch charging holder and put it in like that. Or vice versa. You can turn it around this way, which is probably, this is actually the right way to do it. That way, when you put your Apple Watch in there, it'll be on the front. You'll be able to see the front of the Apple Watch, and you'll have the charger ports in the front for the other USB devices. All right, so the nice thing about this is when you take the lid off, you'll be able to take the Apple charging cable, which for the Apple Watch, which is awesome that it's so long, considering the iPhone cable is so short, and I can take all this cable and manage it inside here. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Now I'm going to take the gray adapter, which will hold the end of the Apple Watch charger, and I'm going to push it in like that so that the depressed end, which will actually make the magnetic connection to the Apple Watch, will be facing out. The wire is safely and neatly tucked inside of the dock station, and I probably could have done a better job winding it up in there, but for the time being, this will work. And you could even take this plastic piece if you want to, that's meant to block the hole if you're not using it, and just put it inside there. And now everything is secure inside this unit. We'll then take the actual power cord and I will plug it into the back. All right, as you can see, I have my iPhone 6 Plus charging and I have my iPad Air charging. Not to mention the Apple Watch on top of the charging dock. Every one of my pieces of tech here are charging right now. And that's just phenomenal. It's going to save me so much room, and I'll be able to keep my wires a little bit more neat and tidy on my desk. One other thing I wanted to mention is I am using these LED lighted, these are third-party LED lighted lightning cable. They're really cool because you can see when the power is running through. That's how I can look at my device real quick and see it's charging without actually having to walk over and hit the button. And if you think that this dock Apple Watch stand is something you could use, I will have a link for it in the description as well. It retails for about $50, but right now on Amazon, it's $40 with Prime shipping. I will have a link to this awesome product in the description. And remember, anytime you click on one of our Amazon affiliate links, there's no extra charge to you. You only pay for the product that you're buying, but it does help keep us in business so we can continue to make great unboxing and review videos. While I had never heard of this company before, which the name I cannot pronounce, it's spelled Oittm. I am really excited to maybe go to Amazon and buy some more of their products to try out. They also make a large selection of Apple Watch bands. So stay tuned. I'm going to be doing some more reviews from this company. Looks very promising. I'm very impressed. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and I can't wait to make a new one. I'll see you again real soon.